Welcome viewer, I am Ene.sys. This video tutorial describes Valorant Incompatible software component detected Ene.sys. Open File Explorer, C Drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Search with Ene.sys. Rename Ene.sys.old. Second method is uninstall problematic application. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.